Alright, so today we're going to be looking at page 64 for our math and 65. So let's look at this. It says Dion has to leave any town to meet with a new customer in Morgantown. He uses the internet to get directions there. Read the map and answer the questions. Dion is having his meeting in Morgantown. What exit number is Morgantown? So let's look for Morgantown. We have Morgantown over here. So what exit are we looking for? Is it A, 45, B, 42, or C, 44? Number 1. How many miles between Mason City and Morgantown? So let's go back. Where is Mason City? Right here. And where's Morgantown? So they want to know how many miles between. So are we going to add or subtract? Now, next question. How many miles between any town and Holt? Show your work. So let's go back, look at your map. You're going to look for any town and Holt. So right here. Show me your work. Are you going to add or are you going to subtract? And then you have how many miles between any town and Morgantown? And the same thing, you're going to show your work. If it takes Dion an hour to drive 60 miles, about how long will it take for him to drive to Morgantown? So what should we do here? Are we going to divide? Are we going to multiply, subtract? So if it takes Dion an hour to drive 60 miles, how long will it take for him to drive to Morgantown? Is it going to be A, 1 hour, B, 2 hours, or C, 3 hours? Answer to the best of your ability. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck.